Here's a reminder that when it's really cold out, there's some cool experiments you can do with the weather. And here we have hot water very close to boiling. I'm going to throw it away from me or anybody I care about outside in these very cold temperatures. Let's talk about why these experiments work. The one where you take the hot water, you got to get it very close to boiling, as close as you can, before you throw it into the air. And the reason is because when you throw that in the air, it allows some of it to turn into steam. It actually takes it into the water vapor form. But because it's so cold, it rapidly condenses it back down again and actually is able to form some of the snowflakes. You'll hear not all of it make, you'll hear some of it kind of fall to the ground as drops. That's the stuff that wasn't able to make it into steam. And the drops just are too large for them to freeze in the amount of time that they take when they travel through the air. The other thing that can be fun to do if you have no wind is frozen bubbles. Now, I tried it a couple of times. It wasn't super successful. But if you look closely, you'll start to see one or two little frozen dendrites starting on the surface move around. You see a tiny one on the left on that one. This next one ended up being pretty good, though. There was a good frozen section that came on the top right. Slow down, take a look. Frozen bubbles are incredibly hard to do because as soon as you start to get that crystal growth on the outside, it ends up rupturing the side, and you have to do it in completely still conditions. The cool thing about the frozen bubbles is if you're able to have the patience and try it a million times over and over again, you do start to see little dendrites grow on the surface of the bubble, and they travel, they move as the crystal grows. But once again, usually as it grows, the bubble bursts. But still a cool opportunity to see that in real time.